Hello guys and welcome to this tutorial on how to remove the gray background from Chatgpt. If you are tired of the gray background cluttering up your conversations, then this tutorial is for you. So let's dive in and learn how to do it. First of all, navigate to the Chatgpt website at openai.com. Once you're on the home page, you will see the Try Chatgpt button on the left corner of the screen. Click on it. You will be then redirected to the login page. Here to sign in, you need to click on the login button. You will need to enter your registered email address or username and password and press continue button to log in. First, you will need to open the ChatGPT application. Once you have opened it, you will see the gray background on the chat interface. Next, click on the settings icon located in the three dots drop menu in the bottom left of the ChatGPT interface. This will open a drop-down menu with different themes options. Select a theme that doesn't have a gray background. For example, you can choose the light theme or the dark theme, depending on your preferences, of course. Step 5. Finally, click on the Apply button to activate the new theme. Once you do this, the gray background will be removed from your interface. And that's it. You have successfully removed the gray background from your ChatGPT conversations. Now you can enjoy a cleaner and more visually appealing chat experience. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. See you soon.